Hello my dear students, welcome to session 11. Today we will be practicing questions related to triangles and its properties. Before we begin, I recommended watching this video that explains the different type of triangles and its properties. This will help you to better understand the concept and make solving the questions easier. Link is in the description. Now let's get started with today's first question. Find the value of A, B and C respectively in the given figure. So students, first of all, let's spot where the A is. So A is present in the bigger triangle, that is A, B and C. It means with the help of angle sum property, that is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Out of this, angle A is given 45, that you can check in the figure here. Angle B is A and angle C is given again 68 here. Okay, on solving we got A is equal to 67 degree. Now let's check the option. Now in a A option, the first is 59. It means it's wrong. Again check in a B, it's 67. Yes, it's right. C 59, it's wrong. And D again 67, A is equal to 67, it means it can be considerable. Now let's find the value of B. Now B is present in the small triangle, that is ADE, and moreover it is forming the linear pair as well. Now ADE plus BDE is equal to 180, right? And B plus 146 is equal to 180 because reason is linear pair. On solving we got B is equal to 34 degree, right? Now let's check the option again. Still 34 and 34 is right. Now let's try to find for the C. Now in small triangle, please check in the figure ADE, here angle A plus angle D plus angle E is equal to 180. Reason is, yes, reason is angle sum property. On substituting the values, A is 45 degree, angle D is B and angle AED is a C. On solving for C, we got 101 degree. It means option B is our correct answer. Question number 2, which of the following option is incorrect? So student, first of all, don't get afraid after looking at this figure. Please try to break down into a parts and then solving all the options one by one. First option is angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Now let's check the solution. If we will break down the figure, here we can see that AB is parallel to CD and FC as a transversal. You can check in this figure. It's clear that angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because yes, reason is alternate angles. Similarly, if we will take FE as a transversal, then angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Again same reason. Now here 2 is common, so we can cancel 2 and finally we got angle 1 is equal to angle 3. It means this option is correct. Let's check for the option B in triangle ABC. First of all, check where you can find angle 1, angle 4, angle 5 in the given figure. Yes, here you can find all these angles in this triangle. It means 3 angles and we can apply angle sum property. It means all the angles should be equal to 180 degree. Therefore, again B option is correct. Option C, angle 8 is equal to angle 6. Again, if we will take a figure here and FE as a transversal, it is clear that angle 8 is equal to angle C. The reason is again alternate angle. It means option is correct. Let's check for the D option. Here angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. Now from the figure, no, it's not equal to 180 degree. Therefore, this option is incorrect, but your answer is D. Question number 3. In the given figure, ADF and BEF are the triangles and EC is equal to ED. Find the value of Y. Now you can spot the Y here, right? Now let's check the solution, how to approach the answer. Now here students, in triangle CED, means in the smaller triangle, CE is equal to ED given, right? And angle EDC is equal to ECD, because this is a property of isosceles triangle that angle opposite to equal sides are always equal. Therefore, angle ECD is equal to 28 degree, right? Now, if you will look the other triangle, that is angle ECD is equal to angle BCA, right? Here you can see this angle and this angle. These both angles are vertically opposite angle. Therefore, angle BCA is equal to 28 degree, right? Now, take a smaller triangle, that is BCA. Now, y is equal to 62 plus 28 degree. The property is, and the reason is, exterior angle property. Therefore, on adding, we got y is equal to 90 degree. That is option A. Question number 4. In triangle PQR, which of the given condition does not holds? So students, here we have an option that we need to check one by one. Let's check in the solution. First of all, draw triangle PQR and take a length of your choice. We have taken 6, 7 and 8 that you can see in the figure. Now option A. Now it states that PQ plus QR is greater than PR. On substituting the value, we have find 6 plus 7 is greater than 8. Yes, it's correct. Actually students, this is a triangle inequality theorem which states that the sum of any two sides must be equal to the third side. Now let's check for the B option. Here PQ minus PR is less than QR. Okay. Then 6 minus 8 is less than 7. Yes, again it's correct. Now see, PQ minus QR is greater than PR. Then 6 minus 7 is greater than PR. No, it's incorrect. Now D. RQ plus PR is greater than PQ. Okay. Then 7 plus 8 is greater than 6. Yes. Again correct. But you need to find does not holds. So option C will be your correct answer. Question number 5. In the given figure, ABC is an equilateral triangle and ABD is an isosceles triangle with DA is equal to DB, and find X. First of all, let's spot where is X. So here is. Now with the help of given information, let's try to find the correct answer. Now in triangle ABC, means in the big triangle, angle CAB, angle ABC, angle BCA is equal to 60 degree. Yes, the reason is equilateral triangle. And also angle DBA is equal to angle DAB. Reason is DA is equal to DB. That is already given. And from the figure it is clear that it is equal to 60 minus X. Right? Now let's take the small triangle, that is DAB. Now all the angles of this triangle is equal to 180. That is, reason is angle sum property. On substituting the value and solve for X, we got X is equal to 14 degree. Okay, then option is A. Question number 6. In the given figure, PR parallel to ST and angle PQS is equal to 60 degree and angle ORP is equal to 48 degree. Then find angle OPR. So first of all, let's spot where is angle OPR. So here you can find it. Okay, so students, it's very clear that to find this angle, you need to take the big triangle first and then take the small triangle, means the triangle on the right hand side. Now let's check in the solution. Now in the figure it's given that all the angles on these lines are equal and it is given that PQS is equal to 60 degree. Therefore all the angles, means PQS is equal to PQR is equal to OQT is equal to 60 degree. Then let's take the big triangle in PQR. Therefore, in triangle PQR plus angle PRQ plus angle QPR is equal to 180 degree. Reason is angle sum property. On substituting the values, we got QPR is equal to 72 degree. Right? Now, let's take the triangle PQO, means the smallest triangle but on the right hand side, this one. Right? Now it's given that PO is equal to PQ because it's from figure, you can see that. Then angle POQ is equal to angle PQO is equal to 60 degree, right? Now in triangle again we are going to apply angle sum property, that is PQO plus angle QPO plus angle POQ is equal to 180 degree. On substituting the values we got QPO is equal to 60 degree, right? Now from figure, it's clear that angle OPR is equal to angle QPR minus QPO that you can find from here. On substituting the values, that is 72 minus 60 is equal to 12 degree, that is option C. Students, if you are finding it difficult or lengthy, please try to practice it again. Question number 7. Find the measure of angle X in the given figure. So here is the X. Let's try to find the correct answer. So students, here from the figure it's clear that these both angles are vertically opposite angle. Therefore y is equal to 45 degree, right? Now in triangle XYZ, all the angles must be equal to 180 degree. Yes, the reason is angle sum property. On substituting the values, we got X is equal to 72 degree. That is option A. Question number 8. The given figure shows three identical squares. Find X. So students, here you can see that we have three squares. Now let's take one by one each square and try to find the value of X. If we will take square A, B, C, D, you can see 36 plus 1 plus X is equal to 90 degree. Yes, reason is corner angle of square and all the angles of square is equal to 90 degree. So this is your second equation. Now let's take the second square, that is CEFG. CEFG is making with the help of angle 1 plus angle X plus angle 2. Right? So here we have this equation, again equal to 90 degree, same reason. Now third square, that is CIHJ. Now it is forming with the help of X plus 2 plus 27. Okay, now this is your third equation. Now with the help of these equations, we are going to find the value of X. Now adding 2 and 3, we got 36 plus X plus 27 plus angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle X is equal to 180 degree, right? Now substituting the values, here 36 plus 27 is 63 plus angle X and angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle X is equal to 90 degree. That from 1, on solving for X, we got X is equal to 27. That is option B. Question number 9. In the given figure, EFA is right angle triangle. Therefore, angle EFA is equal to 90 degree. And FGB is an equilateral triangle. Find the value of y minus 2x. So students, here you need to find the value of y and x first. So let's check. Now here you can spot the x, right? Now let's take the triangle FCG. Now this angle means FGC is a 60 degree because it's given that FGB is an equilateral triangle. Now on applying the angle sum property, we got x plus 60 plus 92 is equal to 180, right? Therefore x is equal to 28 degree. Okay, now in triangle BCF, means in the right hand side triangle, angle CBF, this one equal to 60 degree, again the same reason, equilateral triangle, but here they are forming the linear pair. Therefore FCB is equal to 180 minus 92 and FCB is equal to 88 degree. In triangle BCF, angle BFC plus 88 plus 60 is equal to 180 degree, right? Now on solving, we got BFC is equal to 32 degree. Now let's check in the triangle AFE, 90 degree, that is already given. Now it's forming with the help of y plus AFE, right? Now y is equal to 58 degree. Now we got the value of y and x. On substituting the values here, we got 58 minus 56, that is 2 degree, means option A. Question number 10. In the given figure, RTQU is a straight line. Find the value of B minus A. So let's spot where the B is. So let's say B is here and A is here. Now let's use this information and let's try to find the correct option. So students, here let's say ST parallel to PR. Therefore, these two angles, angle A and angle R, means angle T and angle R, both are the corresponding angle. Yes, therefore angle A is equal to 49 degree, right? Now we got the value of A. Now we want the value of B. Let's say in the triangle PQR. Now PQU means this one, extended angle, is equal to PRQ is equal to RPQ. Yes, reason is exterior angle property. Now on substituting the values, we got B is equal to 85. But we need to find the value of B minus A. So we got that is 36. It means option D will be your correct answer. So students, geometry is not hard at all. Only you need a right approach and practice. So keep practicing and ask your doubts in the comment section box if you have any. Now we'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.